everybody, my name is Ling. Today I'm gonna translate about wild animals. Here the Vietnamese. Let's start. Wild animals. Some animals are wild. They don't live in homes or cages. They live in the jungle, in jungles or plains. Lion is the king of the beasts. He is very mighty. He roars loudly. The giraffe have a long neck. The giraffe eat leaves from the tallest trees. The elephant is very big. It has a jack and two tusks. The tigers have strippers. There are black bear or some brown bear. There are even a white bear called polar bear. Kangaroos live in Australia. Here is the one of the places that you can find kangaroo. Except in a zoo. There is so frightening when you run into a wolf or a fox. Monkeys run and play in the trees. In Canada, we don't see lions, tigers, deer or monkeys running wild. Sometimes there are squirrels in my backyard. Sometimes I see raccoon or chipmunk. In the northern of Ontario, you will see a moose or a bear. I will see a deer in the forest. There are a lot of wild animals. You can see wild animals if you want to the zoo. Well, go to the zoo. My video is the end. Goodbye.